Welcome back. Today, let us see how we can rename our PC in Windows 11. There is an option to rename our PC. If you see, there is a Start menu. In the Start menu, if you right-click and select System, then you have an option to rename this PC. Click on Rename this PC and select and enter whatever the name you wish to update. I will enter demo win lab PC01. So once I rename this PC, I have to restart, and after restarting, the name change will take into effect. After renaming the PC, I have rebooted. Let us see what is the name which is visible in the Windows 11. Yeah. So this is the new name which has been taken. Let me rename this PC again, and I will tell you another option how you can rename the PC. You simply click on the folder option, or you can click on the Start menu again and select the desktop, or click on the Start menu and search for desktop. Click on the desktop. Once you see the desktop, you have an option here on your left side which says this PC. Right click this PC and select the properties, and you will get this system window. You can select rename this PC, and I will enter the PC name demo win, and I will rename the PC to the same old PC name. Next. Again, it will ask for restart. I will restart. So these are the two ways which you can use to rename the PC of Windows 11. I have restarted my PC again, and if I see, the new name has been updated. So this is how you can rename your PC in Windows 11. After restarting, you can also use command prompt to check the host name. Simply click on this Start menu and search for command line, and you will get the command prompt opened. You need to enter the command host name, and you will see the name of the PC. This is also one of the way how you can check what is the host name which has been given to this PC. That's it for this video. We'll meet up again in our next video. Until then, bye. Please subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you.